first morning, blackbird has spoken like the first bird. Praise for the singing, praise for the morning, praise for them springing fresh from the world. Sweet the rain's new fall, sunlit from heaven, like the first dew. As we walk the garden mile, down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying. It's time to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can bring back your love someday. I will be there. I will be there. baby, fight to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can break down the world someday. I will be there. I will be there. Here we go again. Let me be your hero. Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Or would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? And would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Or would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Or would you lie? Would you run away? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. Follow the Moskva down to Gonky Park, listening to the wind of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. The world is closing in. Did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers? The future's in the air, can feel it everywhere. I'm blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow The wind of change blows straight into that phase of time, like a storm wind that will rain. I got my first real six string, bought it at the five and dime, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. I should've known we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice,
And 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Shirley! We miss you and we love you!
Happy 60th birthday, Cousin Erd. I wish you many, many more blessed birthdays to come. Tell Amy thank you for posting beautiful pictures of you and your grandkids on Facebook. And again, happy birthday and have a great party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you.
Urge malagayan kaerawan at Diyos pagpalain. Siguro magita tayo mamaya aywan. Para ngayon, malagayan kaerawan sa kayo.
Hello, Di. Oh, senior citizen ka na talaga, ha? Sana senior na talaga yung pati isip mo. Okay, wish you good health. Your family loves you, especially your apos. We need you. Wish you more birthdays to come. We love you so much. Mwah! Chup chup! Yeah! Bye-bye!
Di, happy 60th birthday. Ang mahihiling ko lang para sa inyo is to have a good health, more success, more time with the family, especially with grandchildren. Always be careful, palagi kayo nasa labas. Take good care of yourself. Tsaka sana mas makasama namin kayo ng matagal. We look forward na magkaroon tayo ng maraming happy moments, buong pamilya. Thank you and once more, happy birthday.
Hello, Dad. Maligayang ika-60th birthday sa'yo. Sana yung buhay mo humawa pa, tapos pagpalain ka pa po ng Diyos. Senior citizen ka na. Ugod-ugod ka na. Kailangan ka na namin tulungan ng mga apo mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo, Dadsi. Love you.
Hi, Daddy. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you more years to share with us. We love you. Take good care of yourself. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday. We love you. We wish you to have a longer life. Happy 60th birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday po! First of all, we want to thank you for loving us, for supporting us, me, my family, and all of your grandchildren.
And we wish you to have good health. And we wish you to have a long life. So we can spend quality time together.
Pinaka-namimiss po namin moment, the time that we are working together, gumagawa tayo ng sakyan. I hope marami pang mga ganung sasayang pagkakataon tayo pagsasamahan.
Say happy birthday to Daddy.
Say, hi Daddy!
Daddy. Say Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Bye-bye po!
Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday! We love you!
Bye-bye. Love you. Tigit po ako sa'yo, kakanta po ako. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titig Kagaya sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Hello po, Daddy. Love you. Thank you po kasi po kumakain tayo sa Jollibee. Pati po sumasakay tayo sa Kaleo. Pati po bye-bye po. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po sa inyo, sa inyong 60 years birthday. Sana po kumaba pa ang inyong buhay at marami pa kayong taong matulungan. Agad po.
Tito Erds, sa pangalan po ng aking pamilya ay muli po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil isa po kayo sa kinasangkapan ng ating Ama na tumayo bilang aming magulang. Hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan at hindi rin po kayo makakalimutan ng ating Ama. Nawa po ay patuloy po kayong pagpalain ng ating Panginoong Diyos, bigyan ng mabuting kalusugan at pagpalain po ang inyong pamilya. At mula po dito sa Taiwan, Tito Erds, happy 60th birthday po sa inyo.